We did it, guys. We're at 5,000 subscribers. This is all thanks to each and one of you who pressed that subscribe button. And to give back, we want to raffle out a $100 gift certificate towards your next purchase at www.beatsonikusa.com. You could use this $100 towards that full mirroring system you always wanted, navigation DVD in motion, or even the front camera interface. And in order to participate in this raffle, all you need to do is first subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, like our Facebook page, and also follow our Instagram page. And on top of that, just leave a comment below saying that you want to participate in this raffle. In 2 weeks, we are going to announce the winner on our Instagram page, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Thanks for your continuing support in the future as we continue to come out with better content and better videos for all of you guys. Thank you very much.